How to fix Windows 11 weather widget isn't showing in Taskbar. 1. Enable widget in Windows 11 settings. 2. Run sfc and dism commands as admin. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanupimage/scan-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-health 3. 3.1. Enable the SSL and TLS by editing DNS server assignment. Use manual DNS settings. Enable IPv4 and IPv6 use a different DNS server IP. 3.2 Enable these options. SSL 3.0, TLS 1.0, TLS 1.1, TLS 1.2, TLS 1.3 and advanced internet options. 4. Download Veep tool at https://github.com/thebookisclosed/veep/releases. 4.2 Run these commands as admin. Windows /system32 Veep tool at config 3430141552 Veep tool at config 36226456 Veep tool at config 36553793 Veep tool at config 3622605425. Set not configured option to allow widgets at computer configuration/administrative template/windows components/widgets. 6. Create a new user account. 7. Check your Windows update.